Okay, so solve this equation here. So same approach as before, so we're going to times the bottoms together to get a common denominator. Because I've times that by 3x plus 1, I've got to times the top by 3x plus 1. And because I'm timesing this by 5x minus 2, I've got to times the top by 5x minus 2. So I get 4x bracket 3x plus 1 plus then 3 bracket 5x minus 2 all over then our common denominator of that pair there equals to 3. So we could expand the top and expand the bottom, so we get 12x squared plus 4x when I multiply them out. Expand these out, I get 15x minus 6. That is all over. So the bottom then, expand the double bracket, so I get 15x squared plus 5x minus 6x. So I multiply it to minus 2, so expanding that double bracket there, that equals to 3 of course. Sort at the top, so I get 12x squared plus 19x minus 6. The bottom becomes 15x squared minus x, that becomes minus x there, minus 2, and that equals to 3. Then perhaps take this over, that would make sense. So 12x squared plus 19x minus 6 equals to 3 bracket 15x squared minus x minus 2. So I get 12x squared plus 19x minus 6. Expand this bracket, I get 45x squared minus 3x minus 6. So then get everything onto one side. So I'll have 45x squared here. Take 12x squared away. I've got minus 3x. Take then the minus 19x away. And what you'll notice as well is you've got minus 6 that side, minus 6 that side. So they balance. So I can just get rid of them. Okay. Or take it over, it becomes a plus, and it goes. And that equals to 0. So I get 33x squared minus 22x equals to 0. Now there's no number, and that makes things a lot easier. There's no number added on. What we can do now is, if there's two terms, we can just factorize, okay? And perhaps even before, factorize with a single bracket. And perhaps even before we do that, we could even realize there's a common factor of 11 here, so we could actually scale it down and divide by 11. So 11 goes into that 3 times, and 11 goes into that twice. So you could do that. Much nicer to work with this. And then we factorize out x. X is a common factor. So x and bracket, and then because x is a common factor, we've extracted it. What do I times by x to get this? Well, it'll be 3x. And what do I times by x to get that? Well, it'll be minus 2. So you've got then x times the bracket is 0, so it's an either or situation. Either the x has got to be 0, or the 3x minus 2 has got to be 0. So that means x is 0 or x is 2/3.